Channel update announcement. Hello everyone. We're excited to share an important update with you. Our channel Multi-Concepts Engineering Services is now officially rebranded as The Contractor. This new name better reflects our mission to bring you real, practical, and professional content about the world of construction, engineering, and project management. Whether you're a fellow contractor, aspiring builder, or just passionate about how things are made, The Contractor is here to inform, inspire, and build with you every step of the way. Thank you for your continued support. Great things are ahead, so stay tuned and let's keep building together.
Welcome to our humble channel, The Contractor. The Contractor is your ultimate guide to the world of construction, renovations and building projects. Whether you're a homeowner, DIY enthusiast or aspiring builder, this channel brings expert insights, practical tips, and real on-site experiences to help you understand the industry. From construction techniques and project management to behind-the-scenes looks at job sites, The Contractor is here to educate, inspire, and showcase the craftsmanship behind every build. Let's create, construct, and conquer together. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell button so that you will be notified of our new videos. Feel free to message or contact us for consultations, site ocular visit and free quotations. Contact us 0951 413 7930. Email us multiconcepts88@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.